Hi, it's Paul from HEYNER UK. Today I would like to show you how to replace standard bolt holding the spare wheel under the VW transporter. That's the same for T4, T5, T6. The same system, so you've got your spare wheel under the van. Normally it comes not protected at all, so 17mm spanner and 2 bolts remove, and you can lose your spare wheel. Okay, to protect your spare wheel, you can use locking bolt. It comes with 2 sizes. One longer one comes with 90.5mm thread length. Its overall length it's 108mm. Short one 52mm thread length, and overall it's nearly 68mm. There's one or the other. The best way is to take out one of the bolt from your van and check it before you buy. Van behind me, it's a T5.1. Most of the cases take short one, but in this case, because it's different wheels factory fitted, it takes long one. Now I'm going to show you how to swap it for the locking bolt. So we've got standard bolt out. As you can see, it's identical length as the long one. The short version would be too short to catch thread underneath. Now all we need to do is just take out the cap, put the key on, and we can start putting new security bolt on. Just a tip, you always take right one, left one. You can unscrew it halfway, then it goes into this hole, so you never you can't take it out fully. That's probably German engineering to avoid that you lose all 2 bolts and that's going to be hanging. Yeah, don't put it too tight. At the end you've got the zinc plated cap just to protect the pattern so it not get rusty quickly. Job done. Thank you for watching. We used the HEYNER spare wheel locking kit for VW transporter. Please remember, inside with each set you will get key code, so if you lose the key, there's an instruction how to order replacement one. Yeah, this kit is available on eBay, Amazon, or heynershop.co.uk. Thank you for watching.